From serving our country to serving our community. One doctor in the Hub City spent time caring for patients in the ICU in New York City during the height of the coronavirus pandemic. Our Jacqueline Coleman has tonight's Kindness in Action.
Kindness in Action is brought to you by Forest General Hospital.
In the hustle and bustle of the Big Apple, COVID cases consume the hospital ICU units.
Being down here and seeing our limited exposure to COVID, and I got up there and it was devastation. It was multiple people in one ER room. Sometimes there would be a deceased patient in a room with living patients.
Cardiologist Lawrence Leader of Forest General and Hattiesburg Clinic was one of the military medical personnel deployed to New York City to help alleviate a hospital overwhelmed by patients suffering from COVID-19. He was placed in a Javits Center that operated as a mobile unit.
They didn't have places to put them, so they were really in dire straits. And people around here, they hear about it, but when you see it, it's another story.
In chaotic ICU units around New York City, some coronavirus patients struggle to survive in isolation. Dr. Leader would connect patients with their loved ones through phone or FaceTime.
So sometimes they would communicate, like if they didn't have a phone, I could let them use my phone. They could do like FaceTime, which really worked great.
Leader received an outpour of support from people across the board. His dedication going viral on social media.
Was taking care of the patients. It was amazing. I mean, I think, everyone, there was nobody who felt like they were doing something outside of their job description because everyone was just there to help.
And he has one plea for people in the Pine Belt.
I think it really hurts when I hear people say things like, I don't need to wear a mask because it's my right to not wear a mask. It's not a matter of what it's a right to do or not a right to do. It's just a matter of being considerate of others.
In Hattiesburg, I'm Jacqueline Coleman.